All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're at right now. This morning I'm up here on Clark and at a place called Charlie's. I was told this Charlie's has the best sausage, gravy, and biscuits. So it's been a while since I've had it, and actually it's been probably since I was back in the States is the last time I had it, but up here right now and I'm going to try out the sausage, gravy, and biscuits. And like I said, they say it's the best around, so. Guys, check this out. Now that's sausage, gravy, and biscuits. Like I said, I haven't had sausage, gravy, and biscuits since I've been here. And this place, Charlie's, I was told, like I said, has the best. So I'm gonna dig in. I don't know if I'll even finish all this. That's a lot of sausage, gravy, and biscuits. Man, I'm full. I'm packed. They have they had two orders here. They had a smaller and a larger order, and I find out sometimes here when you go with a small order, it's very small. So I went with a large order, and big mistake. It actually was a large order, so I ate about 3/4 of it, and very good, very tasty. I usually go with the potatoes. I usually do the sausage gravy over potatoes, but I figured I'd try the biscuits. Everything was excellent. The sausage gravy was awesome. Great taste, good flavor. The biscuits were very well. You know, they were cooked very good, very decent. But yeah, next time I come up here, because they have another breakfast menu here also, and it looked pretty good. And the food was definitely good. Like I said, it came very highly recommended, and even I recommend it. All right, guys, so I just got done eating. I think it was 328 pesos, something like that. And I was just talking to the girl, and she told me it is their #1 seller here, so they definitely got a good thing going. But yeah, if you're in Angeles City, or you're going to visit Angeles City, if you come through the main gate. Oh, keep it. Thank you. Keep. Thank you. If you're coming through the main gate and you're heading into Clark, it would be on your left-hand side. You go through the traffic light. From the main gate, there's 2 traffic lights. You got the back gate, and there's a traffic light there, and then you have the second light. You keep going down, and it would be on the left-hand side. You'll see Barretto's Grill, which I think is Barretto's Meat. I think those guys own all this up in here, Barretto's Grill, and also they have Barretto's Meat coffee shop here. But it would be on your left-hand side. Look for Barretto's Grill. You have to go down the road. You have to do a U-turn, and then come in the side road here. But yeah, Charlie's. Like I said, if you're in Angeles City, or you're visiting Angeles City, and you're looking for some sausage gravy over biscuits, their #1 seller here. Check it out. They also have the pie lady here. She sells excellent pies. I've had her pies before, and yeah, check it out. Look for the Pavilion Mall. It's in this area, the Pavilion Mall. All right, so I'm sitting here at the shop right now, or the Sorry store, and going through some of the comments you guys are putting up there. I do read every comment, but yeah, I seen you guys, some of you guys picked up that mouse that shot across the floor when I was buying that shawarma. I actually seen it too, but I didn't know my camera picked it up, plus I kind of ignored it because, I don't know, you see mice and stuff like that run around here quite a bit. But yeah, it was funny because the other day there was a subscriber up here, and we were looking down the road, and he spotted something near this pipe hole, and he said, "Is that a squirrel?" In case you're not aware of it, there are no squirrels in the Philippines. What we actually see was a rat, which is another common thing you're going to kind of see around here. But yeah, those that spotted that mouse, good eye, very good eye. All right, I'm at the bus terminal right now, and you know, the buses are one of the biggest, most popular ways to travel around here in the Philippines. You can always get from point A to point B here in the Philippines via the buses here. Very reasonably priced. You can go with air-conditioned buses, non-air-conditioned buses, and some of the bus terminals even have van services. They'll wait till the vans are full of people, and you can also take the vans to wherever you need certain destinations. But I wanted to show you just some of the food and stuff here, you know, that you can get here at bus stations, not only here in Angeles City, you know, Dao bus station, but pretty much all the bus stations throughout the Philippines. So let's take a stroll through the bus station and I'll show you some of the food they have. They got burgers here, hot dogs here. Cook them on the grill here for you. I notice once you've been to one of these stands coming up, you pretty much have been to all of them. You have little sorry stores in here. Get your loads, you know, water, juices, snacks, just different things. This is like the food area right here. There's food here. Squid, fish, sisig, Pico Express, lechon. Huh? Eggplant. Sisig? Yeah? What's it, sisig? And hot dog sausages. Yeah. Yeah, this is the food area here. It's all cooked and put out. They even got, I think that's some type of clam, I'm not sure. And of course you got Dunkin' Donuts here. It's like Dunkin' Donuts stands in, what's the other one? Mr. Donut. They seem to be all over here in the Philippines. Just little stands. Some more food here. Yeah, these are the little shops here if you want things. Pork chicharron, noodles, chips. Balut. That's balut right there. More snacks, sodas. Yeah, it seems like they all have chicharron here. Like I said, once you've been to one, you've been to pretty much all of them. Hello. Hindi po. Hindi po. They got these big, what's in the biscuits? Like cookies? $2.80 for that? What's in there? Like just a bunch of crackers and things? Yeah. They sell these biscuits, these buckets here. No, just looking. Yeah, they sell these biscuit things here. It's just a bunch of biscuits and crackers and stuff. More balut. So if you want to try balut, try one at the bus station, I guess. They do smart load, globe loads here. I think he was just steaming the eggs in there. Balut, yeah. Yeah, he was steaming the balut eggs in there. And so he's dunking it in. Heating them up. And they all have little grills here. If you want hot dogs, barbecue, things like that. More chicharron. Buko pie, buko pie. No, no, hindi po.
If we're going
Eh?
to buy food, young.
Oh, wala, wala, wala. More grills.
Sir, what do you like?
Oh, nothing. Just looking.
You're taking a picture only?
I am looking. Looking. Everybody will ask you what you want. Every stall. Busy area here. Cooking up the dogs. Have yet to find a good hot dog here in the Philippines. Oh no, just looking. Salon back there. Just looking. Just looking. Looking.
Okay.
I'm just looking. Just looking. No, thank you. Hoppy House Donuts. These are the Hoppy House Donuts right here. At the old Valentine Heart Donuts. Then you have the seating area. Then you have the comfort room. Now you got to pay 5 pesos to use the comfort room here. Alright guys, so there it was, the little stroll around the bus terminal, showing you guys what kind of food's in there, what kind of snacks are in there. They're pretty much at every single bus terminal here in the Philippines. Some terminals are bigger and some are smaller, and some have more restaurants than others, but for the most part they have the same exact thing. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed the little stroll and the food at the bus terminals here in the Philippines. You guys, guess who's hungry for halo halo today? Not me, not Hannah Grace. Let's hungry for halo halo. So I'm going to where they make, I feel, the best halo halo. That's Chowking. Chowking makes the best halo halo, in my opinion. You know, the little mom and pop ones that are set up along the road, they're decent, they're pretty good. But Chowking makes the best halo halo in the Philippines, in my opinion. All right, Lut.
Yes.
I asked Hannah Grace what she thinks of halo halo yesterday. What are your thoughts on halo halo? Who makes the best halo halo in the Philippines?
Chowking.
Chowking. Do you like it?
Halo is good when it comes to summer.
Halo, oh yeah, very good when it comes to summer and it's hot. Do you like it better than ice cream?
Yes.
Do you like it better than chicken?
Did you think of the halo? Yes.
Do you
No,
like, no, you like chicken better?
Chicken.
Do you like it better than tilapia?
Tilapia.
Wait, The ultimate question. Do you like it better than rice?
Right.
She likes rice better.